Hello ladies and gentlemen, myself Manish and I welcome you all to a new video of Technical Chaharji. In today's video, I'm going to tell you about the simple trick which you can use and within 2 seconds you can download any sort of Instagram image which you like right now on your phone. So without wasting time, let's get started with the video. So in our day-to-day life, we came across many pictures which we liked it and want to use it as our wallpaper on our phone. But it's on Instagram and Instagram straightly doesn't provide any sort of download option to you particular users. So let me just go to my laptop screen and show you that how you can easily download any sort of picture onto your phone. So I need to download a wallpaper from OnePlus official Instagram account because they have a pretty much good pictures over there and there's no particular solution that I can easily right click and save it right now on my desktop or my mobile. So I'm right now on my laptop. I'm going to show you. First I'm going to search the Instagram account via the Google, and this is their official Instagram account. So here you can see the various kind of pictures. Suppose I like this building picture over here and want to save it and use it as my wallpaper. But if I right click on it, I'm able to see a couple of options but not a particular how to save a picture. So what's the solution to that? You just need to go to a particular website. So this is the dinstar.com from where you can easily download any sort of picture which is publicly available. Make sure it will not work on any sort of private pictures. So you need to just copy this URL over here and you need to paste it over here and you need to press go. Once you press the go, you can see now the picture is available. Just I need to press the download. So you see the whole picture is here in the full HD print. Now you can save it on your phone and then use it as a wallpaper or any sort of image. Even though if after saving this image you can use it on your system or use it in your video. See how simple it was to download any sort of Instagram image onto your laptop or onto your phone. For phone we have various apps as well which you can use it, and again can simply download on your phone. But without any app, this is the most useful website which I found it and wanted to share with you. So if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share this with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for such interesting videos. And I see you all in the next one.